What is up, everybody? Hey, I am back once again. This time we're looking at the Windermere Ranch homes by Maracay here in Chandler, Arizona. And this house, this dazzling beautiful home right here, it is a 3,208 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, beautiful home with an amazing front courtyard. And I can't wait to show it to you. Let's take a look. That was a beautiful home. Now this home is in Windermere Ranch here in Chandler, Arizona, and the builder is Maracay. And I just got to tell you, if you want an open floor plan, this is the home. So this house is a 3,208 square foot, 4-bedroom, optional 5th bedroom with 3 bathrooms, and they did a great job. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and always remember that we deal real estate, but helping people is our business.